Hi everyone, this is Oksana. In this video, I am going to show you what to do if you have a little gap like this on the bottom of your pendant. Sometimes you bend the frame around your stone, everything seems fine, and then you lock the stone in place and it wasn't a perfect fit and there's this little hole, this little gap on the bottom. So here's what I like to do when that happens. First of all, check for it before you finish making your bail. So I kind of started my bail, made a few wraps, and then I stopped. And the reason for that is these wires, if we need to tighten them, we can still pull on them. But once you make the whole bail, it's kind of hard. They don't really pull or slide through because that half round wire is holding them together. So the first thing that you are going to do is you are going to take something to press this against. It's usually not enough to press it with your finger because it's just not strong enough. So here is my spool of wire. I usually do this against the table, but couldn't bring my table here. So I just take it and I push, and I kind of roll as well side to side because that gap goes, you know, from side to side. So I push and roll like this. And usually that gets rid of the gap. But what that can do is that can move the gap and make it, it actually didn't happen in this case, but sometimes it makes some of these wires have like a little gap here on the side instead, or here in this front wire. So if that happens and your gap didn't just go away, it migrated to the side, you figure out what wire it is that is giving you the gap, and you just take it and you pull on it to tighten it up. Just like that. And you can do that with the side wires, and that's why we didn't finish our bail here. We can do it with these frontmost wires as well, just to tighten them up if there's a gap now here. So just take a look and your gap should be gone now. However, another thing that can sometimes happen is your frame might be quite big and you might have a lot of space up here, and the gap is forming because your stone, let's see if it happens. If I push on my stone, yes, the gap comes back because I've pushed it upwards and it has that space to be able to slide upwards. So if that's the problem, then we're going to push down again to get rid of the gap. And then while holding it, okay, I'm holding the stone so it doesn't get that opportunity to slide up. I'm coming in here and I'm just kind of pressing on these edges to tighten them up to prevent the stone from being able to slide upwards. All right, and now if I push on it, it doesn't slide upwards and create the gap because we've tightened it up here by just kind of pinching it, so it can't slide up anymore. And then also once you finish your decorations, a lot of times these wires get like a little bit more locked in place and it becomes, you know, even more stable and even less likely for the stone to slide up. So those are kind of my tips and tricks for getting rid of that bottom gap there. I hope that this helped you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.